So for the next example, we want to convert 7,348 into a number in base 6. So we're going to start with the same type of equation we had before. 7,348 will equal your base, so we're just going to call it a b. b times some kind of number, we're going to call it q, and then plus r. So now 7,480, will equal your base is 6 divided by your quotient, which is, if you work it out, it's going to be 1,224 plus 4. So now you know you're going to want to bring this down and have 1,224 equals your usual 6. Always bring that 6 times something. This case, it's 6 times 204. And 204 times 6 just happens to be 1224, so the remainder is 0. Bring that down. So 204, basically it's 204 divided by 6, which will equal 34, plus nothing. Bring 34 down. 34 equals your usual 6. So 34 divided by 6, I don't know, 30 divided by 6 equals 5 though. So that means there's a 4 remainder. If we bring our 5 down, we get 5 equals 6 times 0 plus 5. And look, we are done because our q we're dividing by 0, so that means there's only our remainder left. So now let's draw our arrow. So 7,348 in base 10 will equal 5,400 will equal 54,004 in base 6.